Ellen from Travel Yourself at NovaScotiaExplorer.com, and I'm in St. John, New Brunswick. Let's check out all of the great things to see, do, and eat. Travel Yourself. Hello from Digby, Nova Scotia. I have actually just boarded the Fundy Rose, which is the ferry that goes across the Bay of Fundy from Nova Scotia to St. John, New Brunswick. It takes about 2 hours and 15 minutes. In St. John, they don't have a downtown, they have an uptown. And this is part of the reason. There are a lot of hills. Visit the St. John City Market, the oldest continuing market in all of Canada. one attraction for tourists here in St. John is the Reversing Falls. The Bay of Fundy is out that way and it is high tide and the ocean is pushing up the river. And this is now low tide with the river going the other way like it should. One great thing about the Irving Nature Park is that there are a lot of different trails of varying lengths, but you can also drive the entire park and stop here and there along the way just to check out the vantage points. So it's great for all levels of fitness. Thanks for watching and please don't forget to subscribe.